In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Excel graphs from Bavarian Technic logs speed style. First I'm going to find the run in the file by looking for throttle at 100%. As soon as I find it, I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to search until I find the end of the run. And then I'm going to open up a new worksheet, paste that data down there. I'm going to enter in a formula that's going to convert the IAT data from Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply it by 9, divide it by 5, add 32. Then I'm going to add another formula to convert lambda to AFR, multiplying that by 14.7. Then I'm going to copy that formula. Since there's two banks of lambda, I'm going to copy that formula to the next cell. Then I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to copy all of these formulas all the way down to the bottom of the sheet. The next thing to do is to create the blank graph. I'm going to do insert, scatter, smooth lines. Then I'm going to start adding the data. First is AFR bank 1. And we're going to highlight all the RPM data. We're going to take a little bit of a shortcut and we're going to copy that. We're going to paste it over the next cell. We're going to change the column to column K, since that's where the data is for AFR bank 1. Next, we're going to add AFR bank 2. We'll start by AFR 2 in quotes. We're going to paste our range. We're going to change this to column L, since that's where our AFR data is for bank 2. Next, we're going to add the Spark data. Type in Spark. We're going to paste our range. Spark data is in column I, so we're going to change from column B to column I. Press enter. And now we have our Spark data. Finally, we're going to add our IAT data. Type in IAT, paste our range. IAT data is in column J. That's where we converted it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Finally, what we're going to do is we're going to move the IAT data to a different axis, changing it to secondary axis. We're going to change the scale on the y-axis from 0 to 32. That's pretty easy. We just go there, 32. We're going to change the scale on the secondary y-axis from 100 to 130. Then finally, we're going to change the x-axis scale from 2400 to 8400 in 200 increments. And we're also going to change the alignment. We're going to show the horizontal axis. We're going to show it horizontally. Finally, we're going to add minor grid lines, and we're going to change the size of the graph from 6 inches to 12 inches, to 6 by 12. And last but not least, we're going to add a title at the top. We're going to go grab our file name right here, acting like we're going to rename it. We're going to come up here. We're going to add a chart title, center it right there, and that is how you would create a Microsoft Excel charts from Bavarian Technic data speed style.